Do you want to learn how to earn money online so that you can get some extra cash to meet your expenses? You have tried every method available on the internet, but you have not earned anything yet. I can feel your situation because I have been at your situation right back. I was also desperate to earn money online. That's why I created this channel to show you how to earn money online, the ways that I use or my friend used to earn money online. So welcome to Tutorial Assist. In this video, I am going to share a website with you that pays you real money just by doing surveys, watching videos and ads. Before moving with the video, I request you to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post regular videos showing you the ways to earn money online that I personally use. I assume you have subscribed to my channel. Now let's dive into the video. The website I was talking about is pricerebel.com. I will provide this website link in my description box below, so make sure to check that out after watching this video. I request you to watch this video carefully so that you can earn more money by following the steps that I will share with you. Now what is pricerebel.com? Pricerebel.com is one of the most legitimate websites available on the internet that pays you money for doing surveys, watching videos or doing ads. This money can be directly transferred into a bank account or PayPal account. It doesn't matter wherever you live on this world. You can easily earn money and transfer it into your bank account or PayPal account or any other gift card. Now to earn money from this website, you have to make an account on this website. Click on sign up. Either sign up on this website either with your Facebook account or filling your details manually. I have already made an account on this website, so I will just simply log in. Now here you can see my homepage after logging in. Here you will see an option called earn. Click on earn, under which you will see two options like surveys and offer votes. Click on surveys. Here it will show the survey available for you. You can watch the amount of points the survey will pay before completing the survey. Like it will pay me 54 points and it's showing minimum time. Like it will take only 5 to 10 minutes for completing these surveys. Like in 5 to 10 minutes I can earn 54 points. 100 points on this website equals to $1. So I will earn $0.5 in less than 5 minutes. You can also see daily challenges here under daily option. Click on daily challenges. Here you will see your daily challenge survey, which will be available on this website after you logging on this website. Under earn option, you will see an option called offer walls. Click on offer walls. Here you will see it's this much options for under offer walls like Peanut Labs, AdGate, Offer Toro, AdGem. These are just simply advertising options on this website. If you complete this task, you will earn this much points, like 1.4 points. You can also install app and play games under offer walls, which will pay you points like this. If I complete on this website, it will pay me 34 points. If I install Board Kings, it will pay me 88 points. Like here you can see so many options to earn points on this website. Like under AdGem, here you can see surveys. If I take this service, it will pay me 410 points, 820 points, 164 points, 381 points, like this. Hope you got the point. You can also earn rewards. You can also earn rewards by winning or by betting on this website, like under lucky number, which is type of a lottery. You have to buy a lottery for 20 points. If your number matches with the lottery, you will earn 24,000 points. You can also earn by inviting your friends through referral code. Now there is a membership level type of thing on this website. Here are 5 levels on this website. I am currently on bronze. You can go up to diamond if you earn this much points. If you upgrade your level, you will start earning more money, and you will also get more surveys, more offers to earn more money. If you are liking this video, hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post regular videos showing you ways how to earn money online. I have already made a playlist showing you how to earn money online. I will provide the playlist in my description box below, so you can combine those methods with this website so that you can earn more money. Now how to redeem your money that you earned. Click on rewards. Here you can see many gift card option of PayPal. 500 points will be equal to $5. 10,000 points will be equal to $100. Here you can see this much. There are many types of gift card from which you can transfer your money into a bank account. The amount of money you will earn on this website will depend on the amount of time you spend on this website. This website really pays you well for the amount of time you spend on this website. So if you like this video, hit subscribe to my channel. I will be meeting with you another video. Till then, watch my description box below and click on the playlist available there and combine the methods available on the playlist with this website to earn more. Thank you.